Okay, first off, I'm going to make a few cuts here. Without the dust collector, the cyclone running, without the hose connected back here, with this 45 there, otherwise it blows straight up. So we'll just see how much sawdust accumulates and used to fall behind the bench when I'm cutting this 4x4. Okay, that's 3 cuts of a 4x4. You can see all the sawdust back there, plus all the dust that's floating around. I would normally have my air cleaners going, but right now, I'm choking on the dust a little bit. I just wanted to keep the noise down. Alright, now I'm going to turn on the cyclone and show you how easily that the slot back there will pick up the dust. You can see it already starting to pull it on its own, but now all I have to do is just give it a little push back and it's being picked up. I grab my little trusty broom here. Voila, complete. Okay, so now we'll take a little break and I'll hook it back up and I'll run a few cuts with the cyclone running. Okay, now I got the dust port hooked up again. We'll take the same 3 cuts with the cyclone running and see how much sawdust is back there this time. As you can see, quite a bit less. So I'd have to say this project was a success.